Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how to create email account. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. So there are lots of ways in order to create an email account, but I'm going to tell you the simplest one. So you have to just simply open up Gmail application on your mobile phone. So after opening up Gmail application on your mobile phone, you don't have to worry about it, and you have to just simply go to top right corner of your profile icon. So after tapping on your profile, here this kind of interface will appear. So you have to just simply click on that add account, add another account option, which is below. So after tapping on this option, this kind of interface will appear. So here you have to decide which kind of account you want to create. So here we want to create a email account or Gmail account simply. So we have to just simply select the first Gmail, Google. So after selecting the first option in Google, so it will ask you for your verification. You have to just simply add your screen lock. So after adding the screen lock, you have to just simply wait for a while. So after that, it will ask you for your sign in. So you have to just simply create an account. That's why you have to just simply click on create account, which is below. So after tapping on that, it will ask you for two options. You have to just simply select according to your needs. If you want to create an account for your kid or for your child or for your business, you have to just simply select the second option. If you want to use for your own, for your personal use, so you have to just simply select the first option. So I'm just selecting the first option because I want to use for my own. So after that, it will take some time and it will redirect you to the creation section. So here it will ask you for your first name and last name. So I'm just putting some information and click on next. So after clicking on next, it will ask you for your date of birth. So I'm just simply putting any one of them. You have to simply provide an accurate information here. So after providing all the accurate information here, you have to simply select the gender and click on next. So after that, it will ask you for a random email. So here you have to just simply decide which kind of email which you want to take. So here you have to just simply try lots of emails until you will get accepted by any one of them. So I'm just selecting any one of them, and it might be lowercase, uppercase, special characters and numbers. And here you have to just simply click on next. So you guys can see it is just asking for changing. So I'm just saying changing, and you guys can see it is approved by Gmail. So after that, you have to just simply add a password. In order to create a strong password, you have to just simply use alphabets, characters, special characters, numbers. And after that, you have to just simply click on next. So I'm just putting any one of the password, and here you have to just simply click on next. So after clicking on next, it will take some time and your account is creating. And here you guys can be able to see it is asking you for your reviewing your account. So you guys can see you have to simply click on next, and you can verify that your account name should be like this, Anas Mohammed, and your email should be like this. So you have to simply confirm it and click on next. After confirming that, you have to just simply click on next, and it will take you for some Google necessary terms and conditions. So you have to just simply read all these completely. So after completely reading that, you have to just simply go down, scroll down, and until you are able to find an I agree. When you just simply click on I agree, your account will be created in this way. So I hope this method find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.